Right now, our world sentiment score stands at plus 0.12 with a momentum of plus 0.31, a notable spike compared to the historical baseline. This uptick indicates a significant shift in global sentiment, suggesting that something impactful is resonating across the globe. Our API returns a comprehensive analysis of this sentiment, including insights derived from 15 distinct semantic clusters. You can use this to build real-time dashboards or alert systems that react to shifts in sentiment, helping you stay ahead of trends or detect anomalies in public opinion. If you want to dive deeper into this data and integrate it into your applications, check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's leverage this insight to enhance your projects.